No, your ear.
Huh?
Both ears. How many ears do you have?
1, 2, 3.
3 ears.
Yeah.
This bunny uses his nose to smell the flowers. Can you see your nose?
Not there.
Guess what, Eli? When I got up to make coffee this morning, there was a bunny in our backyard, and I watched him eat our clover. He was in our yard.
Yeah.
A bunny. George uses his eyes to find you. Want to read the Big George book?
No. I need them. I didn't want to it, Mommy.
No, it's mine. Let's read about Curious George. This is George. He is a good little monkey and always very curious. Today, George and his friend, the man with the yellow hat, are out for a walk in the neighborhood. There are so many things to see. Hey, can you tell me what George sees?
Let's go.
What else?
George is hand stuck.
His hand stuck?
Yeah.
What's this person? Is that the mailman?
Yeah.
What's this person?
What?
Is he a policeman?
Down go. Dad going down.
Down the manhole cover. What's this person? What's she doing?
Sleeping.